Be careful that you don't pick up any hair from the back when you're putting this in. So you want to try to hold it up so that none of that back hair gets gathered in. And I'm just going to repeat that on the other side, making another pigtail, trying to follow my part line down. And then I will try to make the pigtail be up the same height as the one I did on the other side. In a lot of directions. You could finish it off here if you wanted to, or if you wanted to gather up the back pigtails and the hair, you could put it in a pigtail. What I'm gonna do is just connect these two pieces in the back. So I'm just brushing out the hair underneath, which I like to do after I've done a style. Then I'm gonna take these two pigtails, connect them in the back, and I'm going to put in a large bow. And I just think this style is adorable. I hope you guys love this hair tutorial. Please make sure to leave us a big thumbs up. It really helps to support our channel and we really appreciate it. And we'll talk to you guys in our next video. Bye.